Welcome again. Let's put our dolphin drawing sharp edges to it. Corals, whatever. You can decide the shape you want and then press it on. You just mix a little bit of a lighter color bottoms of the coral to make them blend in a little bit better. Arm fins, if you can imagine them, they're coming out, so that's just fine. So Preston erased his eye, so sometimes that's transparent. Bright highlight. Now with the bright beauty, putting a little bit on his nose, on dolphins that are already covered with bright beauty. Just be very careful that you've got a spray can that doesn't have any droplets coming from it. Alright, that's it. So I hope you go paint some underwater dolphins swimming around and the spatulas, and the truth is that they give different kinds of effects. The line you make has different widths depending on the angle sense. Different widths that you can get. And here's a thin line. It's good to keep your spatula nice and clean. Use a like in this painting. First we're going to do our planet.
Oscuro, necesita estar más o menos fleses en el periódico
so that there's some fold
nos van a dar volumen.
The ones that are going to give us a volume. Effect.
Vamos a hacer otro planeta
Let's
aquí
make
más
another
pequeño.
planet here, a smaller one.
Se debe de
Get a much more. You could just leave it, you know, white spray if you want. How long that paint lasts on my finger, the way they get smaller and smaller because they're getting farther. Colors, different sizes, different times of day, whatever. Have fun, enjoy. Put a surfer on it. Put a shark on it. Bye. Some of those carbon lines show up in the painting. Full elegant lines and yet the kind of the sloppiness of the come out. I'm gonna let it dry as I always do. My favorite is to let it dry until I just see the last little sparkle of wet. And if you have more time, there's some very you can quick and very impressive looking artwork with these simple techniques. So have some fun. To get it just right, you gotta hold the poster board in the wings. And now, kind of like a crocodile, kind of like a chicken. I think mostly like a chicken. Like if you mix the chicken with a horse. Leave it the way it is. It's like an eye or something. Sometimes these things happen. So there's a dragon. Now go meet dragon.